Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to talk about the special functions. So what are the special functions? Special functions are solutions of second order differential equations which appears in spatial rather than in general physical problems. So these are known as special functions of mathematical physics. So you know about the second order differential equation. You have understood the second order linear homogeneous differential equation of the form, for example, something like this, if you remember in previous questions. So this is the second order differential equation, and you know the general solution of this equation, and you can solve, basically you can solve for different values of lambda, and you know that there are three different solutions based on the value of lambda, whether lambda is equal to 0 or lambda is greater than 0 or lambda is less than 0. But this is not the only example of the second order differential equation. So there are some other types of differential equations which are not easy to solve, and each differential equation appears in the problems. For example, if you are going to find the heat equation in not in rectangular coordinate but in spherical coordinate, how we take this? For example, I give you a solid sphere, metal sphere, and I ask you to find the heat distribution for a very long time, such as you have found for a bar. So if we have something like a sphere instead of a bar? So this is the one-dimensional geometry, and we can easily solve it in the rectangular coordinates. But if we talk about the sphere and we want to know about the distribution of heat in a sphere, then the best coordinate system is a spherical coordinate system because of this sphere. So when we are going to solve these equations in curvilinear coordinate system, by means of curvilinear coordinate I mean cylindrical coordinate system or spherical coordinate system, then the differential equation comes to us are no more like in the form of this one, but some other kind of differential equations. So these differential equations are named on their solvers, and the solution of that differential equation is the special function. So we have Legendre functions, we have Legendre differential equation, we have Bessel differential equations, we have Hermite differential equation. So the solution of these are Bessel function, Legendre polynomial, and Hermite polynomial, for example. So for example, if you are not going to solve the heat equation, Laplace equation or wave equation, but you are going to solve the quantum mechanical problem for the atomic hydrogen, you solve the Schrodinger equation for the atomic hydrogen, or you solve the problem of quantum mechanics, the famous one, linear harmonic oscillator. So when you do the mathematical step, at some times you are given a special differential equation which are not easy to solve. So these are these equations today we are going to see, and these equations are solved by some method. Sometimes as a physicist we do not bother about how a solution comes to us because it is the duty of mathematicians to solve this. We usually focus the differential equation which we encounter in this mathematical physics course, which consists of only heat equation, Laplace equation and wave equation, because the Schrodinger equation for the atomic hydrogen or the linear harmonic oscillator problem is not the part of the course. However, you will see these differential equations in quantum mechanics 2, maybe next semester. So number one is Legendre equation. So I have to differentiate that there is some equation and there is a solution of that equation. So the solution of the equation is called the function, because we always find a function when we solve a differential equation. When we solve a spatial differential equation, then the result we found is a spatial function. So we see a type of equation. This is 1 minus x squared d square upon d, x square minus 2x dy upon dx plus n into n plus y, and n is the positive constant. And this equation we encounter in classical mechanics and quantum mechanics when we do the mathematics of it. And we see this equation in the study of central force motion in quantum mechanics. You will see this when you solve the atomic hydrogen problem and you find the wave function of that atomic hydrogen. And in classical mechanics, electromagnetic theory, heat equation with spherical symmetry, we get this equation. So the scientists or mathematicians solve this equation for us, and in Legendre equation, I am going to write the polynomial which is the solution of that spatial equation directly, and we will use this one in one of the question we will solve for the Laplace equation in spherical polar coordinates. So the resulting solution of this equation we denoted by p n of x because of this n. So this n could be positive number. So whatever positive number is here, that the solution will depend on that positive constant, and the solution of this equation is called Legendre's polynomial. The generalized version for this special function is called the Rodrigues formula. There are some other important relations associated with this equation, but since we are not going to use it, so I am not writing it. However, it is a total different lengthy topic in the mathematical physics because these equations appear frequently in spatial problems. So for example, if I write the solution like this, then we are going to use this one. So we have to remember this one, and I will refer you in future for this topic. And we are not going to solve this equation when we solve the problem, and we will directly write the result. However, in order to understand you how this complicated result comes, we are going to solve the Bessel equation by some method, and then you will see how we get from this equation to this solution. So the other one is Hermite's equation. We can see that this formation of the equation is different from the second order differential equation we have seen before, and there is an n which is a positive constant, and we see this equation when we solve the Schrödinger equation for linear harmonic potential function. I think you have done this in quantum mechanics 1. The solution for this equation is called the Hermite polynomial and denoted by Hn of x, and the generalized formula, Rodrigues formula, is this one. So this one is the Legendre equation, which has a polynomial. It is denoted by Ln of x. The polynomial form is something this, and the Rodrigues formula, generalized equation, is this form. So this is the final one, the Bessel's equation. You see the difference of formation, and Here we also have a positive real and positive constant. The solution is called the Bessel's function, and it appears in several problems, boundary problem of mathematical physics and the cylindrical symmetry problems, and the solution is denoted by Jn of x. So in next lecture we are going to solve the Bessel's equation and find the solution depends on the value of n and the kind of the Bessel function. Okay, thank you very much.